y'all, so I am back with another video. Today I will be showing you guys how I bathe my glosses after I finish filling them. This is some that I filled today. This is another color. I don't know if y'all can see them, but these are some colors. And then of course I have green apple. That's all I have right now. But yeah, I've washed them off. I'm sorry y'all can't see. Okay guys, right here I'm just I have some warm water and some dish detergent, and I'm just going through the process of washing all the excess stuff off, getting them all cleaned up so that I can add the labels to them. That's a pretty color I just made today. Both those colors, both of them have glitter in them. And also I have the green apple, as y'all can see. But yeah, I give them a good old bathing. Just getting all the stuff off of them, all the greasy stuff from me, on the gloves with me touching the glosses with my hands or whatnot. So yeah, just washing them good, nice and clean. Get them good, nice and clean. Yeah, those are some beautiful colors. Make sure y'all go and get y'all some off the website at royaltyminklashes.bigcartel.com. Go ahead and shop glosses and lashes for these beautiful colors that I have. They are one for $2.50, two for $5. Yes. So right, I'm just getting them clean, y'all. Cleaning them up. Yep. Oh, and make sure y'all subscribe to my channel as well. Turn that post notification bell on so you won't miss videos when I upload them, like these right here. Yes, I'm getting them all nice and clean, y'all. This is so relaxing, like just doing stuff that I love. It is so relaxing to me. And making glosses and setting lashes is something that I love to do. The glosses is really the girl, so but I help them here and there. And today is the day that I just felt like I want to fill up tubes, so that's what I was doing. So yeah, like I said, I'm just getting them all cleaned and getting all the gloss off of them. And now I'm about to rinse them off to get all the soap off of them. So now just rinse them off, get all the soap off of them, and yeah, that's what I'm doing. Get all that stuff off of them. Make sure y'all leave me a comment. Let me know how y'all enjoy this video. I don't too much do, you know, but when I do, I try my best to get great content out there for you guys. So make sure y'all leave me a comment. Let me know if you all enjoyed this video. But yeah, right now I'm about to take them out and dry them off, and yeah, go add the labels on there. I don't know, I can't get this ring light right today. But after I wash them, well, bathe them in dish detergent. Okay. This one mine, y'all. I made this one too. See, it's a cute color. Ooh, it feels so good to my lip, y'all. So I'm gonna set this one over here. But after, like I said, after I finish bathing my glosses, I then come here. I take some alcohol, some alcohol. I put it on a cotton ball. And then I just wipe the excess stuff off the glosses before I put the stickers on there. So this is what I do. It's clean. Then that's all I do, just go through them and wipe them down with alcohol. Where is my glue? So yeah, I won't say, ooh, you touching it. I do have gloves, y'all. Hold on, I'll be right back. I just had took a pair of gloves off. And yeah. Ooh, I love how they feel on my lips, y'all. Y'all better get y'all some. Okay, gloves back on. Okay, now I start back to rubbing my glosses with the alcohol. I wipe the whole thing, top and all. What y'all doing today on this Sunday morning? Y'all went to church online? I went and got me a word in this morning. Pastor Riley Suggs. Y'all just love this color. I love all of them, but this one I made today, it smells so good, y'all. It had the whole room lit up. My husband said, I smell it over here. So make sure y'all go on my website at royaltyminklashes.bigcartel.com and get y'all some glosses and some lashes. Shop with your girl, okay? You won't regret. I have the 25mm lash 3D, and I have different flavors, different glosses, different color glosses. Well, the girls have different color glosses. I just put it on my site until I be able to make them a site. Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm gonna speed the process up a little bit. Okay. Alright guys, I have finished adding the labels onto the glosses. This is how they look. Oh, y'all ain't got nothing on. I don't know if y'all can see them, but yeah, those are the glosses. So with that being said, I hope y'all enjoyed this video showing y'all how I bathed my glosses and the process afterwards and putting the labels on. which is easy and simple. So make sure y'all like this video, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, turn that post notification bell on. Don't forget to go over there and shop at Royalty Mink Lashes at bigcartel.com. You hear me? And get y'all some of these glosses. You won't regret it. I love this gloss, so you will love it too. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace. Love you guys.